Ladies and gentlemen, it's been almost 48 hours since the nation woke up to some shocking visuals of mayhem at the stroke of midnight. On a day when India celebrated achieving its independence, on a night when India's women hit the streets fighting for the independence they still have been denied, the reality was this crazed mob which laid siege to RG Kar Hospital, including the very building where a young doctor was brutally raped, perhaps even gang raped, and then murdered. It's not just you and I who are still in shock. Even the court, the High Court, is completely aghast at what happened. For the second time this week, ladies and gentlemen, the Calcutta High Court had choice words for Mamata Banerjee's government and her police. Today, the court lambasted the Kolkata police, calling their actions an absolute failure of state machinery and describing the situation as, quote-unquote, a sorry state of affairs. The court questioned how the state police failed to notice a gathering of 7,000 people and sarcastically even suggested it might be best to shift patients elsewhere and shut down RG Kar Hospital. Critically, the court today ordered the police to submit photos to prove their claim that the crime scene, which is the seminar hall, remains intact. This is how low the trust in the Kolkata police is. And that low trust is not just on behalf of the citizens of this country and Kolkata, but even the Kolkata High Court. With the dignity of his police force in shreds, a very anguished police commissioner addressed the media shortly after the court verdict, claiming that his force was being vilified over unverified conspiracy theories. So you had Mr. Vineet Goyal emphatically reject the claim of the young doctor, being gang raped. He refuted reports of 150 grams of semen being found in her body. He says he doesn't know where that information is coming from. He also claimed that this mob that you've seen on your screens vandalized the site of the crime, that this mob was actually spontaneous. But he admitted that his force underestimated the crowd. Ladies and gentlemen, how is it possible for 7,000 people to gather spontaneously with iron rods and completely vandalize a hospital? Seriously, who will believe that? Anyhow, listen in to what Kolkata's top cop, Vineet Goyal, had to say.
Somebody said that police is the one who, informed the family about the suicide. That's absolutely wrong. It was never the police. Somebody said 150 grams of semen has been found. I don't know from where have they found this kind of information. There was spontaneous, huge gatherings at large number of places. Even we had made arrangements for maintaining law and order and ensure the safety and security of women. And of course, we had the instructions given to all the people that they have to deal with the situation with extreme care. Of course, when these spontaneous crowds come, it's very, very difficult because there are no specific leader for these crowds. So expecting that how many people turn up at which place is extremely difficult. If you look at it, that we should have anticipated there are 5,000 people, 10,000 people here. If you say that it is failure of assessment, yes, you can call it. It is a failure of assessment. That 10,000 people will turn up here and they would vandalize the entire place. This entire protest was supposed to have been a very peaceful protest. That is what is my understanding. That is what I understand from people who must have given the call.
But the BJP isn't buying the top cop's claim. They have even dredged up a ghost from the commissioner's past, pointing out to his alleged botch-up of a similar gang rape and murder horror in Bengal 11 years ago when he was with the CID.
क्या ये वही सीपी हैं जिनके ऊपर कार्रवाई हो रही है कि उन्होंने विक्टिम्स ऑफ वायलेंस को गवर्नर से मिलने नहीं दिया? क्या इसी सीपी के कार्यकाल में एक और गैंग रेप के केस में आरोपी बरी हो गए थे? क्या ये क्लेम एक वकील ने कलकत्ता हाईकोर्ट में किया है? क्या एक वकील का हाईकोर्ट में ये स्टैंड रहा है किसी पुलिस ऑफिसर के चलते पहले भी गैंग रेपिस्ट बरी हुए हैं। अगर ये सत्य है तो क्या आप इस सीपी से न्याय की उम्मीद कर सकते हैं?